Hello my friends, today we'll be making this an animated abstract background you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video description. Now let me show you how to use it. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, you go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted your file. Just drag and drop abstract background number 10 like this, connect to the media out, and you will get the background. All this is animated, and when I'm on group, I am group now, and gonna show you here. So I included the notes so you don't get lost. Basically, here is the background. You control the resolution. You can make it full HD 1080, and then this section is controlling the light. You can adjust a blend, adjust the glow, which one you want, intensity, and this section controls the small dots, as you can see here. And I included the notes here. You understand what is controlling. This merge controls rotation and alpha, position, and the next one here you have the circles. And this circle, rotation alpha, but as this is a circle, you can rotate, but you don't have any effect. Rotation is for this yellow part. I don't know how to say in English. Is rotates. The speed you can change if you change to this one. You can increase to 180 and it will be double the speed. And this rectangle controls the shape. I will show you. You can make it smaller, larger, or full circle if you want. You can merge, subtract. It's all up to you. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.